Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here, and welcome to episode 472 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, PayPal's CEO has expanded on the company's crypto plans, including CBDCs. UnionPay has partnered with Denal for a virtual prepaid card, and NetCents is allowing users to purchase crypto with a card. But just before we dive into today's show, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And while you're at it, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com, including the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, as well as the Cannabis podcast. Both of those will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so Bitcoin began yesterday trading for around $13,430, but witnessed a surge as the day and the U.S. presidential election progressed. It peaked at about $14,000 in the evening, but as vote counting dragged on, it fluctuated and is trading for about $13,835 at the time of recording, that is according to data from CoinMarketCap. Now, with the election results being as close as they are, as I write, an AP election results map has Joe Biden with 238 delegates and Donald Trump with 213, and with final results not expected, by some counts, for the next few days, markets could be seeing sustained volatility, and of course Bitcoin could conceivably rally further. PayPal, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol PYPL, elaborated on its crypto plans, including a position on central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, as well as an expansion into mobile payment service Venmo. In a Q3 earnings call, PayPal CEO Dan Schulman commented on CBDCs. Quote, "CBDCs, from my perspective, and all my conversations, are a matter of when and how they're done, not if. And I think that our platform, with its digital wallets and the scale that we have right now, can help shape the utility of those currencies." End quote. Regarding the company's introduction of the ability to buy, hold, and sell crypto, Schulman said, quote, "Now we've only rolled this out to 10% of our base. We did that a couple of days ago, but our waiting list was 2 times to 3 times of what our expectations were. We're going to take up our $10,000 limit per day to $15,000 per day based on the demand that we're seeing, and will roll out to 100% in the U.S. in the next 2 to 3 weeks. We're then going to expand internationally, and we'll expand into Venmo in the first half of next year. So that's what we're starting off with." End quote. The South China Morning Post reports that Chinese financial services firm UnionPay has partnered with South Korean payment provider Denal to introduce a virtual prepaid card for travelers to places including China. This will be done through the latter's blockchain-based Paycoin payment app, which supports cryptocurrencies and is also the name of the native cryptocurrency of the app itself. A representative from UnionPay told the South China Morning Post, quote, "Denal users will top up the virtual card using South Korean won and pay with local currency. The clearing between Denal and UnionPay will be in US dollars." End quote. According to a report from Cointelegraph on the subject, quote, "Paycoin has indicated that users will be able to use both the card and Paycoin itself to pay for goods and services at over 30 million UnionPay merchants across 179 countries and regions." End quote. Finally, NetCents Technology, Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker symbol NC, has announced the addition of the ability for users to purchase crypto via credit card on its NC exchange. According to the press release, this development makes it easier for users to buy crypto, makes access to funds faster and easier, and facilitates contactless payments. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.